Hello everybody, this is Juan from Shenzhen, USA. Today I'm going to present you guys a freezer working with the electricity. I know a lot of you guys now are struggling on this because you want to buy a freezer but you don't know which one is better. So now I have two freezers here. This one on my left hand side, this one is this one is from another factory, not from our factory. This one is also very common in the market. This one is bigger and heavier. And also this one on my right hand side, this one is from our factory. This is smaller. This is smaller, you see. And this is lighter. This one is only 109 kilo. Another one is 115 kilo. And now let's look closer. For example, this corner. See, this one is like round. Okay. This one you check, it's like more sharp. So this is more dangerous. I know this is just very detailed things, but this is the something that we focus. Now here, now you can see the working area. This one working area is like from this side is 41 centimeter. So this is like 12.3 inches. So this one is just a little bit smaller. This one is like a 40.5, just a 0.5. It's like 5 millimeters, less. So this one is not a big deal. Now the other side, please come closer. This side, check on the other side. Because on the other side we can see the touch panels. So this is our machine. You see we have like a big touch panel. You can, this is the start, the button starts. You can start. You can also choose language. You can choose language. So this is the set temperature. You can set for 150. Normally we just set for 150, but you can set for 165. So the temperature will normally reach to minus 140, 164. But normally we don't need that low temperature. 150, it's okay. And also here you can set time. So what's that for? You can check. This is also another difference between this machine, our machine, and another machine. This one we have a counter here. Why we use this one? For example, you leave 5 pieces screens inside in this working area, so you close it. You set for 60 seconds. So it reaches 60 seconds. So this counter will give you an alarm. So just tell you it's already 1 minute. So this one only works when the temperature reaches minus 120. So this counter will start working. So with this touch panel, it's easier. On the other side, this machine is just a small meter. You can press. This is the power switch. This is the refrigeration switch. So you can see no, this is not touch panel. So you have to do with this those tiny buttons. So this one is more complicated. Another one with touch panel is easier. So now we can see. Also want you guys to listen to the sound. This one is louder. Another one is more silent. So I'm gonna find my cell phone here. So this is my cell phone. So I just download so the small application. So here's the compressor. So you can hear. So I just stopped talking because it's like this one. So this one is 70, reaches 74. Okay, now we have to turn on this one. Okay, we have to turn on this one. So we have to wait for like a few minutes until the compressor starts working. So let's wait for a few minutes until the compressor starts working, so we can listen or we can test about the sound. So now we start. So now the compressor started working. So now we test the sound. So I'm gonna stop talking. You check the sounds, okay? Okay, now we stop this meter. You can easily find out the difference between the two machines. This one is bigger, heavier, and also you have to pay for more shipping. This one is like 6 kilo heavier, so you need to pay more shipping. This one is louder. The sound is louder, so it's very bad when you work here. This sound is very give you a big headache. And this one is smaller. You pay less on shipping, and also this one is like more silent. And this is we see from the outer side. So later we're gonna we just want to explain to you guys about the inside, the interior. For example, this one we use the because now this is closed, but I can explain to you guys. So the compressor about this machine that we're using is from the I just don't remember the name, so I'm just there. It's from the Tecumseh, T-E-C-U-M-S-E-H. This is a very famous compressor brand, so this is imported, very good quality. And also you can see another part that we are using here. I don't know if you can see that. This says Emerson. So all the parts that we're using is very good quality. So because we want to give you a warranty, so we have to use very good parts to make sure that you can have a very long, you can use this one machine for a long time. So and we're also very confident to give you a warranty. So you don't, because this one is very heavy, we send it to you, you won't compact. I mean this quality is very good, then you don't have to come to look for me for the quality problems. And also this one you can check, I don't know if we can say from the so this one is very, the sound is very big. So this one is called some higher curve. This is a Chinese brand. So the compressor is also a Chinese brand. So only on the between those two compressors, you can easily tell the difference between those two compressors and also this part. And you know, this the price of the compressors is almost the half of this freezer. So our machine has the best compressor and the most reliable compressor, and also all the part inside is reliable, good quality. So I would like to recommend you guys this one. This one is smaller and more reliable, even though this is a little bit more expensive. But if you don't, because you don't know the difference, so you say that those two machines in the market is almost the same price. So you're gonna pay for the same price or sometimes more expensive, but the quality is lower. So if you need to buy this machine, please contact us. You're gonna have the same price or lower price, but with better quality. Thanks for watching this video. Now we want to continue to the next part. We're gonna wait like 35 minutes until the temperature reaches minus 150. Then we're gonna separate some curved screens for you. So see you later.